Dick.
Yeah, I gotta get mouse traps for the trailer.
Are you pooping again?
Rat poisoning doesn't kill them instantly, right? They
You
usually
pooping again?
where they eat it and then they go screw off and then they come back a week and then they die off a week later, right? Rat poisoning.
Yeah, you should eat some. Hey, smoke a bowl. Hey, look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Holy shit. Look at the dome on this guy. Hey.
My new hat.
Yeah. Holy shit. They got to go to onepakatpakam to get those, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah. But got to go to London. Drop off a package and I'll pick up some stuff. Okay, go. See ya. So I figure we'll take old stink finger with us. Oh, what's really going on, dude? Oh, you cold?
Oh yeah.
Oh, I apologize. What happened? It got to be winters. Oh yeah. Just download the free app, boys. It's freaking jammy pants, guys. What? What, buddy? Here, let's go quick. Oh. See the screen though? You just gotta make sure you get the shot, right? You just got to make sure you get the shot. Oh, look at it. It's chooching instruments. Instruments of mass chooch. Look at your hat, dude. You know what I mean? Yeah, it's awesome. Oh my God. Almost crashed there. Almost crashed. Yeah. There's probably going to be a lot more dudes in here, you know what I mean? You freaking love dudes at the mall, don't you, buddy? What do you mean? Are we going to go upstairs? Are we going to go upstairs? Buddy. Careful, don't crash. Do you guys ever go to the mall with a dude? You ever just bring dudes to the mall? What do you mean? What do you mean? We're at the mall, buddy. Okay, here. Just make sure you're aiming it at me. You see the picture in there? But stand out here though. Stand out here and aim it in the store though. Don't come in. Right? Just stand like right here and aim it in the store, okay?
Hey, there's one.
Not too bad.
You looking some help today?
What happened?
Oh, you're doing a pickup?
Roger.
Yeah, we can get some help.
I can do it.
Do a pickup. Awesome. Yeah, we'll get it brought up for you.
I'm gonna keep talking to her. I can do it.
Oh, perfect. You're right here.
I'll be on,
How
man.
are you doing?
Got a little QR code for us.
Good. How are you?
Not too bad.
Good, man.
They quit me?
Pardon?
They quit me?
Yeah, I don't know, man. I'm waiting too. I'm a little curious myself.
Oh, whew. That was close, eh?
Mac Mini?
It's a Mac Mini, that's why. It just says a custom part number. We're like, is it a MacBook or?
Oh,
He thought it was a Maxi, probably.
maybe. So I guess he knows. They're gonna bring it down. There you go, man.
Right on. Much obliged.
You're very welcome, man.
Have a good day. You're not being very inconspicuous with it. Hey, you're not being very inconspicuous. You should be just hiding it like this. You're just like holding it out like a fucker. Hey? Friggin' guy's a heat bag. Well, yeah, because you're being a heat bag. You're just standing there holding it out like a friggin' giraffe's neck. Eh?
No, the one lady with the.
What'd she say?
She's saying, "Oh, I can't walk past. Can you put the camera down, please?" Actually, you're allowed to film as long as you're not invading anyone's privacy. It's called
Freedom of the cigarette. Eh? Oh, we should see if they'll let you climb into this thing, dude.
No.
What do you mean?
Cotton candy.
Let him climb into it. Oh shit, I can't even remember where we parked. Right. Oh man, it just smells like cooties big time. And there's like dudes sucking on different stuff. Did you see that? Holy. We should try to pick up some dudes while we're here. You know what I mean? Look, there's some. There's some dudes. Oh, I just caught him picking again in the mall. For fuck's sakes. Stink finger? Oh, stink finger. Can't even take you to the mall for crying out loud, you're picking.
I'm embarrassed. Like, people are looking at me like.
Why?
In the camera. Like, I'm some bad guy.
No, you're a star, buddy. It's because they know you're a star, dude.
I've been here before. They got like an arcade and shit here.
Ooh, that was a close one, eh?
Oh, I thought you were gonna actually
Continue straight.
That's why you don't fucking just gun blast it through fucking yellow lights while somebody's fucking turning. Why would you do that? Like, the guy's turning. The guy in front of me was turning. Fuck, you got scared, eh? Holy shit. You ever do that? Crash your car?
No.
That sucks. Is this place open? Oh fuck yeah, it is.
It's only 7.